2017 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, CD player, compass, power windows, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front driver and passenger seats, heated front seats, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.